So today is our third three-wheel extravaganza, celebrating Australia Day here in Bendigo. So we've got all sorts of three-wheelers. We've got Can-Ams, we've got Trikes, we've got motorbikes with Sidecars, we've got homemade three-wheeler little trikes. We've got people from Sydney, we've got people from Adelaide, we've got people from all around Victoria. We've got about 60 bikes or outfits, three-wheelers on display today.
Fantastic.
And it's organised by the Rotary Club of Bendigo, Sandhurst, Northern Victorian Spider Riders and Down Under Trike'S. And we are blessed with the weather today. And yeah, we've got the little racer over here. We've got the little Tony Peters' little road racer, commonly called the Pink Pig for obvious reasons. And we've got some homemade little outfit up the end there. Looks like an A model Ford. We've got some sidecar bodies that are made in Bendigo.
And we've got a great variety this year.
Great variety, yeah. And we've got a little scooter over here with a little sidecar on it. A little Royal Alloy scooter. So fantastic day, and the amount of people. Gobsmacked by the amount of people.
You've done really well.
Yeah,
it's getting bigger and bigger every year.
Yeah, it's bloody marvellous. It's bloody marvellous. So.
Fantastic job, you.
Thank everyone for coming out and enjoying the day and making this such a success. And Chris, thanks for doing it. Thank you. Good on you.
Sleeping bags in the doorways of closed dollar stores, humming pink neon signs, plastic diamonds remind some they've fallen behind from the days when they shine. Has the whole world gone blind? 10 cities on our pikes, don't go walking after dark. Battered corpses there stark, dead eyes peering like a shark. Bloodied hands, frail bones, hunched and aching, still they're going, but they don't know where they're going. Am I invisible to their eyes? invisible passers-by. They just turn a blind eye, tune me out and let me lie on the pavement, and I'm soaked in rain, cloaked in lies. If we're the same, I don't know why. I'm invisible to their eyes. All on yourself, you brought this all on yourself. Don't go blaming no one else. And as far as I can tell, you don't deserve no one's help. You should have known your demons well. Looks like you've earned your own hell. I was once right and pure, straight and running with the herd, clocking in with the troops, jumping through their fiery hoops of dead-end jobs and proper clothes, with happiness under my nose. This ain't the life I would've chose. Am I invisible to their eyes, invisible passers-by? They just turn a blind eye, tune me out and let me lie